linked list cycle. We'll be given a linked list and we need to determine that if there is a loop or cycle into that linked list, and if so we return true, otherwise false. And there will be actually the head of the linked list, and we need to go through the whole thing and check if there is a cycle. There could be actually multiple options to solve this problem, but the easiest way to do is with a slow and fast node. So the slow one will go just to the next node, and the first one will go like to the next and next, or to the after two nodes. Okay, let's jump to the code, which will make more sense when we code this thing. Okay, before starting to it, also I need to check some cases that there could be actually 0 or the none. So in that case there won't be any cycle. If it is none, we're going to return false. Okay, that was the S case. Now let's go for the another one. And yeah, here I have taken the head, the slow one head, and first the head dot next. So the two things is not, just to make sure that both of them are not same at the beginning. And now we'll go through the loop. If slow, and the important thing, we should not use the value, we should use the node to compare. Slow is going to be slow next, fast is going to be next dot next. Okay, if there is no loop or the cycle, return false. Let's run this thing. All the test cases are passed. Let's submit this one. Looks like it got passed. Thank you.